Good morning. Stadia, our new generation cloud gaming platform, we're aiming to deliver the best games ever made to almost any screen in your life. So I'm excited to share an update with y'all. Stadia will be available on November 19th. With Pixel Buds, help is there when you want it, and the experience just comes to you, even when your phone's not in your hand. We even have a long-range Bluetooth connection. Indoors, Pixel Buds will stay connected up to 3 rooms away. And outside, they'll work across an entire football field. But Pixel Buds gives you plenty of battery life. You'll have 5 hours of continuous listening time on a single charge, and up to 24 hours when you're using the wireless charging case. The earbuds gently seal the ear for rich bass and clear highs, and the spatial vent underneath reduces that plugged ear feeling and lets through just the right amount of environmental sound. On the software side, Pixel Buds respond to your surroundings with the new adaptive sound. The volume dynamically adjusts as you move from the quiet of your home to a subway or noisy cafe, and you don't have to constantly raise or lower the volume. When you're on a call, beam-forming mics focus on your voice, while voice accelerometers detect speech through your jawbone. Pixel Buds will be available in the spring of next year, and we'll share more details in the coming months. Titan protects your most personal on-device information. We make it easy to access simple on-off controls, including turning cameras and mics on your Nest devices off. And you can now delete assistant data just by asking.
We wanted to create a thin and light laptop that was really fast and also have it last all day. Landed on Pixelbook Go. Pixelbook Go comes in just black and not pink, lighter than Pixelbook, but we still managed to add a battery that is 15% larger. We ended up with keys that feel great to use and are even quieter than the original. And with Chrome OS, Pixelbook Go is always fast, secure, and all your devices stay in sync with each other. Everything about Pixelbook Go is designed to address real user needs for an affordable price. You can pre-order it now in just black, with not pink coming soon.
And today, we're introducing the next generation Nest Mini. It's even more capable with the same affordable price point and the same iconic design. And you now have a new color option called Sky. Now, we also heard from you want a little more flexibility of where to place Mini. So we added a simple wall mount. We added a third mic to hear you better in noisy environments. There's a dedicated machine learning chip with up to 1 teraops of compute. So for the first time, core experiences of the Google Assistant can come from the data center and be moved instead to run locally on your device. Finally, Nest Mini also powers an amazing home communication system. A home intercom, so you can talk room to room. A home alert system, telling you who's at the front door. A home phone, allowing you to call anyone in the world for free using Google Duo. I can even use my phone to call my Nest devices. We're announcing a new whole home pricing model. For 1 monthly rate, you get Nest Aware support across all your Nest devices in your home. And you can choose between 2 different pricing plans, depending on your needs. The new Nest Aware will be rolling out early next year, and it'll be easy to switch over your existing plan. Now, as part of the new Nest Aware subscription, we're also unlocking the power of speakers and displays to be part of your home awareness system. So now in one go, even those basic smoke alarms become smart smoke alarms. And when you get an alert, you have the option to hear the alert or listen live to confirm the alarm. The Home app can directly connect you to the 911 call center closest to you, regardless of where in the world you are. Now, these notifications will be part of the new Home app, which actually includes a new feature called the Home Feed. It brings together all the notifications and snippets from your devices, organizes them, and highlights the important stuff. Now, the Nest Wi-Fi system is actually 2 devices. The router plugs into your modem and creates a powerful home network. The Point expands your coverage. And our updated hardware and software delivers up to 2x the speed and up to 25% better coverage. Nest Wi-Fi is designed to be out in the open, where it performs at its best, with the range of colors that'll naturally blend into your home. Lastly, we added a Google Assistant smart speaker to the Nest Wi-Fi point, so it does everything the Nest Mini does. It'll be available starting on November 4th.
Pixel 4 introduces entirely new helpful experiences. Pixel 4 is the first smartphone with a radar sensor. It powers the new motion sense capabilities. Pixel 4 has the fastest secure face unlock on a smartphone because the process starts before you've even picked up your phone. Motion sense prepares the camera when you reach for your Pixel 4, so you don't need to tap the screen. Motion sense can power down your phone when you walk away and turn it back on when you approach your phone. It also lets you control your Pixel with simple gestures. Swipe to skip a song, silence a call, wave hello to Pikachu. Google Assistant is now deeply integrated into Pixel 4's OS and across your apps. The Assistant can simplify multitasking too, with a clean, new interface. We created a new kind of audio recorder that taps into our speech recognition and AI. Pixel 4 is also our first smartphone with a 90 Hz refresh rate. And we've added some smarts. The refresh rate adjusts on its own depending on what you are doing. So you get a great visual experience while still preserving battery life. The new Pixel comes in 3 colors: just black, clearly white, and a limited edition called Oh So Orange. It also comes in 2 sizes, both with the same features and both available for pre-order starting today. Shipping starts on October 24th, so Pixel 4 is now available through every major US carrier. You can see the rear, wide, and telephoto cameras, a hyperspectral sensor, a mic for your videos and Instagram stories, and a flash that we hope you'll use mostly as a flashlight.
So Pixel 4 has a roughly 2x telephoto lens plus our super res zoom technology. This year, we're using machine learning to approximate HDR+ in the viewfinder, so you get our signature look while you compose your shot. We call this feature Live HDR+. So Pixel 4 has dual exposure controls. We've continued to improve portrait mode. This year, we're computing depth, again using machine learning, from both dual pixels and dual cameras. We'll have a luscious new SLR-like bokeh. That's the shape of the blur. We're doing better on hair and dog fur, which are hard. Live HDR+ with dual exposure controls, learning-based white balancing, wider range portrait mode with an SLR bokeh, and night sight with astrophotography.